Hello everybody, my name is Luis and let's talk about my unit test framework, RevitTest and Rider. I downloaded to test if the framework was working and I kind of fix the issue. I'm gonna create a new project in here. Let's try something like RevitTest tests. And I'm using the unit test project for the any unit. C#. I can not select version of Revit, but we're gonna change as well with no problem. I'm gonna create that and try to, I don't need that anymore, and try to configure this project to make work. I need to, come on, I can, no, it's so strange to work in this. Let's edit this, edit F4. Okay, let's change this to 8.4. What else? I don't need this, I guess. I don't need this as well. And this I'm gonna change to ricaun dot RevitTest dot test adapter, and I'm gonna use the version 1.1.2, not beta. Okay, when I release this video, probably gonna be something like this. So yeah, and let's go, let's delete this, I don't want that. And here let's change to tests. Okay, let's add this. Okay, great. And I guess basically that's it. Let's build this project. And one thing I need to change. Okay, I forgot one thing. Let's go in here. I need to add language version, latest. So that's gonna work. If I do that, let's build again. Great. Now if I go in here and open this, I guess I only have this one, but I need to go in my what is it, go here, settings. I need to, where is it, build execution, tests, and in here the last one I need to enable these. So this is gonna make sure that I'm gonna use a custom adapter. So yeah, let's save that. And sometimes this doesn't update. I'm not sure if it's a problem with Rider or something. Let's create a new one here, just to and build that. Because when I use a custom adapter, I need to build the project to update in here. Yeah, now it's appearing duplicated. That's an issue. Probably Rider is looking at this first and then the custom adapter in below, I guess. Let's try that. I don't need this one, so, and let's build both just to run. Yeah, one probably gonna finish really fast. That's probably gonna run the normal any unit, and the other one, yeah, probably starting with this one. I don't know. Yeah, let's wait. Yeah, he's using Revit 18. So yeah, to make sure what's going on, I'm gonna add this code in my project. Instead of this, I'm gonna use that. I need to add this. Yes, great. Yeah. basically I'm gonna look for the, if in my app domain, gonna have Revit API, basically. And if gonna true, gonna, great. So the code is gonna running in here. And if not, gonna show error. So yeah, let's run everything again and see if it's working or not. Yeah, this one fail. Yeah, probably this one is the any unit that rider is try to run for some reason, and this one is that's working. Yeah. If I create a new test in here, probably gonna be duplicated as well. Yeah, look, this ones appear right away. So rider is doing some stuff. I don't know how to disable that, this part. Probably some configuration or some bug. I don't know. I don't use rider. So yeah, let's build this. Probably gonna appear another test in here. Yep, this one is a new test. This I pretty sure gonna run inside Revit. I can try to, I don't know. Yeah. Let's yeah, that's basically it. So if I run that, I'm gonna run inside here. Let's, is running. Yeah, everything run in there. We're going here, clicking here. I'm gonna show the log. Yeah, let's test pass, and I'm using this version. So yeah, gonna run in this place. Yeah, everything kind of look, it's working now. But yeah, this is a issue, but probably is a issue in rider. So yeah, basically that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and I'm gonna finish that and I'm gonna release official version 1.1.2. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.